A young man lived with his mother. She was very kind. She cooked his food. She cleaned his house. She took care of him every day. One day, the man got married. His new wife came to live with them. At first, everything seemed fine. But soon, problems started. One evening, the man came home from work. He was very tired. "Wife," he called, "please bring me some water. I need to wash." His wife did not answer. "Wife," he called again, "I'm hungry. Where is my dinner?" Still, his wife did not answer. The man got angry. "What's wrong? Why don't you answer me?" His wife started to cry. "It's your mother," she said. "She hates me. She fights with me all the time. She says, 'You stupid girl, you lazy girl. Why did my son marry you? I can't live with her anymore.'" The man looked at his wife. She was beautiful. He loved her very much. "Please, my darling," he said, "try to be happy. My mother is old. She won't live forever." "No," said his wife. "There is no dinner tonight. I can't cook when she is here. She always tells me, 'Do this, do that. That's wrong. That's bad.' I can't take it anymore." "But she's my mother," the man said. "This is her home. I can't send her away." "Then you must choose," said his wife. "You can have me or you can have her. You cannot have both." That night, the man went to bed hungry. He could not sleep. He thought and thought. "What can I do? My mother loves me. When I was a child, she fed me. She cared for me. But my wife is young and beautiful. I love her. I can't live without her." The next morning his wife asked, "Well, have you chosen? Do you want your mother or do you want me?" "I want both of you," said the man. "You can't have both," said his wife. Then she said something terrible. "Kill your mother. She is old. She will die soon anyway. But I am young. We can be happy together for many years." "Kill my mother?" The man was shocked. "How can you say that? How can I kill my own mother?" The man went to work in the fields. All day he thought about his problem. Finally, he made a terrible decision. "My wife is right. My mother is old. I will take her to the mountain and push her off the cliff. Then my wife and I will be happy." He went home. "Have you chosen?" asked his wife. "Yes," he said. "I have chosen you. Tomorrow I will take my mother to the mountain." His wife was very happy. She brought him water. She cooked all his favorite foods. The next morning, the man woke his mother early. "Mother," he said, "let's go to the mountain today. It's very cool there. You will like it." His mother looked surprised. "But I'm old. I can't walk up the mountain." "Then I'll carry you," said her son. He picked her up and started walking up the mountain. The road was steep and difficult. After a while, his mother said quietly, "My son, I know what you plan to do. I understand everything." The man was shocked. His mother continued, "But please be careful. When you push me, hold on to that tree branch. Then you won't fall too." The man stopped walking. He looked at his mother. "You know what I'm going to do. You understand? But you still care about me? You don't want me to get hurt?" His mother smiled sadly. My dear son, only a mother knows true love. One day, when you have your own child, you will understand. The man put his mother down gently. He sat beside her. He put his head in his hands and began to think. Does my wife love me this much? No, she doesn't. My mother is so good, so kind. I wanted to kill her, but she still loves me. She still worries about me. Then he thought about his wife. She is wicked. Kill your mother, she said. I don't love her any more. Now I know what to choose. The man picked up his mother again, but this time he carried her back down the mountain. He took her home safely. When they arrived, he told his wife to leave. Go away. I choose my mother. And so, the man lived happily with his mother for many, many years.
Life lesson from this story. True love is unconditional. Mother still loved her son even when he tried to kill her. Choose your partner wisely. Don't marry someone who asks you to hurt your family. Honor your parents. They raised you. Don't abandon them when they're old. Hard times reveal true character. Crisis shows who really loves you. Family is irreplaceable. Once gone, you can never get them back. If you're looking to learn English, visit Learn English Tales. We tell meaningful stories that will help you on your language journey. Thank you for watching.